All right, yeah, little trade recap for today. No trades were taken today, but it was a good look at price action today. We extremely volatile. We dumped over 400 points, which is crazy. Like right from open. There's two trades I want to kind of go over, and ones that I was close to taking. Unfortunately, one of them there was just no close, and then the first trade was a little bit against my bias and everything, and it was still super early into market open, so I didn't really want to risk anything, if that makes sense. So we'll go to round open. Obviously, we had 8:30 news today, 200 point move pretty much for that whole range. And one thing that really stuck out to me were these low resistance, this low resistance liquidity right here. Um, Honestly, I thought I was looking at it before doing my analysis, whatever. I thought that this candle was going to slice through all of these lows, honestly, and then go take the last low in that leg. But I mean, pretty much we did the opposite, right? And then looking at the higher time frame, I was just bullish, right? I mean, we zoom out, disrespected all these gaps, ran through this gap, 4 hour gap, and we're still rejecting this one big 4 hour gap as well. So no signs to me to be bearish coming into the morning. So that was kind of my game plan for the morning. Um, all right, let's go towards open. So essentially, what I wanted to see was just manipulation lower and get continuations to this intermediate high up here on the 4 hour. That was kind of like my main draw for the day. What we actually do at open, we actually sweep this high, and there was a 30-second gap that closed somewhere in here. I really got to get the premium. But there was an inverse that closed here. Could have taken it. I mean, the risk to reward would have been phenomenal. Yeah, you could have taken it to the 15 minute down there, whatever the case may be. But the only reason I didn't take it was just because it was against my bias, and we were 2 minutes into market open. I didn't want to put all my risk on the table yet. I wanted to still see some price action play out. And then I'll play this forward because we really no entries here. We dumped. There was actually, I guess you could call it, there was an entry. I think it was a 1 minute, right? Yeah. There was a 1 minute after we uh, hit the 5 minute. You could have taken this 1 minute possibly, but to me it wasn't good. I, we weren't really bouncing off a key level, if that makes sense. So anyway, play price forward again. We end up coming all the way down to data lows. Um, from this point, I still kind of wanted to see us go lower, um, just because we just dumped 300 points. Um, so essentially, I waited for us to get a little bit of a retracement, because I didn't really think there was any point of longing after we dumped 400 plus points. You got to kind of think of it like that. This would have been the trade to take all the way down to this sell side level down here. It's just a simple continuation, right? Tap into the 15. If we got this close, would have been awesome. Oops. And then I would have, had my entry here, stop at either there or the body close, and then honestly just targeting maybe here or here, use this as a break even, and then target the low. But unfortunately, we did not close, and this is why you never pre-fire inverses, right? Watch. Boom. Instant. Would have been instant stop out, right? Um, and then this actually looked okay too, but again, no close, right? And then what do? We come down a little, manipulate, and we're gonna get stopped out again. So, I mean, lessons learned today, right? Just truly follow your model down to the T. Don't don't try to exaggerate it or give yourself a reason just to take a trade. You very easily could have tried to pre-fire this, right? This fair value gap, and then would have got stopped out immediately. So just be smart like that, right? No reason to be taking those types of trades, right? Just follow your plan. That's kind of all it comes down to, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, honestly. Um, I don't think there's much else to go over. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I think I don't know the news. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims, and Friday is CPI. So probably full ports of accounts Friday. But yeah, as far as the price action and stuff, that's it for today. I'll catch you boys tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, my Discord mentorship is going to be down below. Join up if you all want. And yeah, that's going to be it for today, boys. Peace out.